We are going to start by using some tools that you're already familiar with. We open up our layers. That should not be there. Okay, so all you should have is a background, and I'm going to duplicate that. And that will keep our original as is, and then we'll just be working on the copy. And we're going to start by using some tools that you're already familiar with. For these little areas here, little dust specks, we are going to use the spot healing brush. And I'm just going to make sure that I've got a softer brush. And I'm just going to cover that little spot and click. It should still be set to proximity match from the changes that we made earlier. So basically any little area that you want to correct, this tool actually works really well. Now for these areas up here, you could use the healing brush, set to normal. And we're just going to deal with the current layer. Let's see, we have to sample. And usually you sample from an area that's fairly close by. Because that way the color will match. And you can see where it's pulling from, that little plus sign. Now another tool that works really well, especially if you're dealing with texture, is the patch tool. And how this works is you basically drag a patch. You want to make sure destination is on. And then you just drag that patch over the area that you want to change. And it'll keep the texture. It kind of tries to merge color. So you might have to do a couple of them to get, the right tone, to get rid of that brown there. But this is a tool that I actually use quite often, especially if I'm trying to correct any kind of texture. And then down here, this area, you could use the healing brush. You could also use the clone tool for that. And we're going to talk about the clone next. So I'll try the healing brush first. This is one that I'm probably going to have to resample quite a bit. And I actually think the clone would work a lot better. So we'll just do a little with the healing brush, but the clone is going to definitely work better for that. So the next video will show you how to use that.